Hollywood's biggest stars are panicking, and not because of bad reviews. OpenAI just launched Sora 2, an AI that makes movie-quality videos from a single sentence. Stay till the end. I'll show you how it's shaking up the film world and why Hollywood is worried. Recently, CAA, one of Hollywood's biggest talent agencies representing actors, directors, and musicians, issued a strong warning about OpenAI's Sora 2. They say the AI poses a serious risk to creators' rights. The concern? Sora might be using creative works, movie clips, performances, or even entire animations to train its models without paying or crediting the original artists. In simpler terms, Hollywood believes AI is learning from their art and giving nothing in return. If an algorithm can instantly create a Pixar-level animation or an intense action scene, what happens to real filmmakers, animators, and camera crews who've trained for years? And that's not just theory. This fear is already sparking meetings, legal talk, and industry statements. Sora 2 is OpenAI's latest video generation model, and it's miles ahead of what we've seen before. It can take a few words of text and turn them into cinematic quality footage with smooth motion, lighting, and realistic physics. Picture this. You type a futuristic city under a thunderstorm, and seconds later, you're watching it unfold like a movie trailer. That's the power of Sora 2. And it's not just hobbyists talking. Professional animators are admitting that tools like this could replace entire teams in the future. But on the flip side, it could also let anyone, from small creators to indie directors, make visual magic without Hollywood budgets. Traditionally, filmmaking relies on teams of writers, artists, editors, and technicians working together. With Sora, many of those roles could shrink or disappear, since the AI can perform similar tasks faster and cheaper. CAA and other agencies are worried that AI is being trained on artists' past work to compete against them. They're pushing for new copyright laws, requiring consent, compensation, and transparency about how AI models are trained. But here's the interesting twist. Some studios are already quietly testing Sora for storyboarding, concept art, and pre-visualization, using it as a speed boost rather than a replacement. This raises a big question. Could AI become a collaborator instead of a competitor? It's a gray area that's evolving fast. This battle isn't just about movie stars. It's about the future of creativity itself. We've been here before, when Photoshop arrived, when digital cameras replaced film, and when YouTube let anyone broadcast their work. Each time, people feared art would die. Instead, new tools created new kinds of artists. AI video generation, though, is an even bigger shift. Sora doesn't just help people make videos, it creates them independently. The line between tool and creator is getting hard to see. Imagine a small YouTuber using Sora to craft a full sci-fi short film with 0 crew members, or an indie filmmaker generating massive alien landscapes that once needed a Marvel-sized budget. It's revolutionary, but also unsettling. The creative world is being democratized and disrupted at the same time. OpenAI insists they're working to protect artists and ensure fairness. They mention copyright filters, opt-out systems, and collaborations with studios as part of that promise. According to them, Sora 2 was trained responsibly, using licensed data, synthetic footage, and public datasets. But critics argue that the details remain vague. No one outside OpenAI truly knows what went into the training data, and that secrecy fuels ongoing mistrust between AI companies and the creative world. Until the data question is clear, the tension isn't going anywhere. So where does this all lead? We'll likely see AI credit laws, royalty systems, and even AI content labels, like how sponsored videos must disclose ads. Soon, movie credits might include lines like, "Some scenes generated with AI assistance." That might sound strange now, but so did CGI back in the 90s, and now it's everywhere. AI will probably follow the same path, blending into creative workflows until it's just part of the process. And when that happens, the question won't be whether it's human or AI made. It'll be about how good the story is. Hollywood versus AI isn't the end of creativity, it's a transformation in progress. The real question isn't if AI will change the movie industry, but how far it'll go. So, what do you think? Will Sora end creativity or open new possibilities? Share your thoughts below. This is Artificial Adamena, exploring the future, one idea at a time. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about OpenAI x Mattel